Hey, I want us to talk about something that's been sitting heavy on my heart. A while ago, I posted a video here on the socials about what I saw, seeing elders queuing for Sassa, not in the morning, the night before, for the officers to start operating the next day. Seeing the elders queuing there the whole night, with the blankets, the chairs, and I saw fire as well, which they had at one of the Capetown branches. And that didn't sit well with me. I mean, it's cold, we're approaching heavy winters, we can't be expecting our elders to be queuing for Sassa the whole night to be or not to be helped the next day. And just to get access for money that's theirs, it belongs to them, but they just need access. Let's not talk about digital. We're talking about elders who are stuck to what they know and they are going to stick with it. Some of them don't trust banks. So I saw your comments, some of the responses, and it got me thinking. And most of you guys were complaining about some of the other government facilities that are similar to Sassa, and they're lacking in many ways. So I was like, instead of complaining, which is good, we are allowed to complain, but now let's find solutions. Let's find practical solutions to help with the government. It's 2026, we can do better. We, as the generation of today, we can do better. So it got me thinking, why can't we start having mobile Sassa units, like trucks going into communities where people now don't have to go stand in queues the whole night. It's Sassa going to the people. And this part I love so much. We get to hire the youth. The youth gets to be skilled by the government. They're getting jobs to work and run these mobile trucks where they go to the community. Just imagine, like, where ulucha gets to help our elders with the process and what they need, instead of them queuing the night before to get help the next day. Some might not even get help because they might say, we're offline, and I saw those complaints. So, government, here is a practical solution. Let's hire ulucha, the youth. Let's skill them and employ them, because luninzi ulucha elungaphangaliyo. So that's my solution. It's so practical. This can also happen in other government facilities. We can do better. We're approaching heavy winters. I mean, just imagine of what's happening in the villages, in the Eastern Cape, in Mpumalanga, in KZN. Let's help each other. We can do better.